Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder of Marketplace Valet. We help brands optimize and operate on Amazon. Since 2006, we have over 417,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to discuss all things Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to sign up for Seller Central. Let's get into it. If you've noticed that your Amazon ad performance is dropping, you're not alone. Many sellers experience sudden declines in impressions, clicks, or conversions, and it can be frustrating when there's no clear explanation. But the good news is, every performance drop has a reason. You just need to know where to look. In this video, we'll break down the common causes behind Amazon ad performance declines and the steps you can take to fix them. First, avoid making immediate changes based on short-term data. A lot of sellers panic when they see a drop in the last 7 days, but that doesn't always mean there's a problem. Your performance could be affected by seasonality, competitor promotions, or external factors that have nothing to do with your actual campaign settings. Instead of reacting too quickly, compare your recent performance to the last 30 or 60 days and, if possible, the same period from the previous year. This will help determine whether the issue is temporary or requires deeper adjustments. Next, analyze what's happening with your competitors. If competing brands have lowered their prices, launched discounts, or increased ad spending, it can impact your visibility and conversion rate. Check your placement reports in Amazon ads to see if you're still winning top placements or if your ads have been pushed to less visible positions. Adjusting your placement bid modifiers may help you regain visibility without needing to increase your base bids too aggressively. One common mistake sellers make is shifting from phrase or exact match to broad match when performance drops. While broad match can increase traffic, it also brings in a lot of irrelevant searches, which can raise your ACOS. If you do decide to test broad match, make sure you're using broad match modifiers on highly relevant keywords. Another strategy is segmenting your high-performing keywords into single keyword campaigns. This gives each keyword its own budget, preventing stronger keywords from being limited by lower performing ones. It's also important to check your conversion rate. If your ads are getting clicks but not converting, you need to identify the issue. Look at your search term report to see which keywords are driving traffic but not leading to sales. If the drop in conversion is across all keywords, consider checking your product listing. Are your prices competitive? Do you have strong product images and A+ content? Have your customer reviews changed recently? Many times the issue isn't with the ads themselves, but with the overall customer buying experience. A valuable but often overlooked tool is the Search Query Performance Report. This data can tell you whether your conversion rate drop is happening across the marketplace or just to your products. If the decline is industry-wide, aggressive bid adjustments may not help. Instead, you might need to focus on external traffic sources or retargeting strategies. Ultimately, fixing ad performance drops isn't about making random changes. It's about understanding patterns, making small strategic adjustments, and optimizing based on data. Amazon advertising is dynamic, and staying ahead requires ongoing analysis and testing. By monitoring competitor movements, tracking conversion rates, and adjusting placements, you can improve your campaign performance and get back on track. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more insights on Amazon PPC. If you have any questions or need help growing your brand on Seller Central, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.